Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, bringing you weekly delicious desserts. So in today's video, I decided to do a little Valentine's Day chocolate covered strawberries because we're heading around that time and I know you guys can use the recipe. Super easy to make. So if you enjoy easy recipes like this, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, and also subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is break up our chocolate, which right here I'm using semi-sweet chocolate. You can use any type of chocolate that's semi-sweet, I suggest. And we're just going to break these up and add it to our microwavable safe bowl. So the trick to microwaving some chocolate is to add in some coconut oil, and you just want to add this so that way your chocolate don't burn. We're only going to use a little bit of this, which I'm using about half a teaspoon. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day. Now we're just going to place in the microwave on 30 seconds, and we're just going to keep repeating this step until our chocolate is completely melted. And make sure you stir each time. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You in my way, only you make me choose for love. But I would not do. Now once your chocolate is completely melted, we're going to go ahead and dip our strawberries, making sure we coat them all over. And make sure that your strawberries are dry when you dip them into the chocolate, or your chocolate will just mess up. And I was not trying to repeat this step. I decided to add extra chocolate chips just so it can give it a little thicker appearance. But once it's set, everything is going to be nice and smooth. Once all your strawberries are coated, we're going to go ahead and place inside the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes until your chocolate sets. And I would like to take this time to give my channel members a special shout out. Thank you guys so much for joining my channel membership. And you guys can also check out their channel. I will make sure to leave their links down below. Go ahead and check out their content. They're amazing content creators. So I know you'll love them just like I do. So go ahead and connect with them. And you guys can also join the membership where we do monthly giveaways. You'll be featured in my videos. And also we'll do birthday shout outs and much, much more. So become a member today. So now I had melted some white chocolate and placed inside this little container, which I think is really cool. It makes it easier for me to squirt the chocolate out. But I'm just going to glaze these over with some white chocolate. Now I'm just going to add some red glitter sugar to some of them, just for the Valentine's theme. And just like that, we made ourselves some homemade chocolate covered strawberries. Perfect for any occasion, but especially Valentine's Day. Y'all, don't these look good? I'm also going to just package these because you could also give these away as gifts to your co-workers, to teachers, and whoever. So I'm just going to package these up. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for all the nice comments and suggestions. And if you have an idea of what you would like to see me bake next, please leave it down below. You never know, it might be the next video. And I can't leave without saying thank you to my 5K subscribers. I appreciate you guys all for tuning in and subscribing to my channel. Without y'all, I wouldn't have got to this point, so I appreciate it. And guys, until the next video, y'all stay safe out there, and peace.